Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am MD Saidul Rahman from Manchester, England. Today we will discuss some tips and tricks about driving in roundabout, regarding how to drive in the roundabout, some rules and regulations about the roundabout in UK road. Thanks for watching and enjoy your watching. I have discussed about the driving license process and about buying a car in UK in my previous video, so you can find those video in my channel. So if you will like those videos, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. If we look around about a basic roundabout, so it looks like a clock. So if this is the entrance of a roundabout, so we can compare it by a clock, like this is 12, this is 3, this is 9, and this is 6. So before entering a roundabout, you will see a sign just by the side of the road here. So if you will enter into the roundabout, so you will follow the clocking rules in the roundabout. For example, if you will need to go the first exit, so this is simple. Just if this is your vehicle, just go ahead, then turn the signal left, then go, then first exit. So if you will need to go the second exit, then it will be the second exit straight ahead. So in this case, no need to turn on your indicator. So if this is your vehicle, just go ahead, no need to turn on your indicator, just go and go straight ahead. So if you will need to turn the third exit, so just see, third exit is just the right side, and you will need to cross after 12. So if you will need to turn the third exit, then it gonna be third exit right. This is right because it is the right side of the 12 o'clock. If you will consider it as a clock, then third exit is right. If the third exit will be left, then you need to turn your indicator on in the left hand side before going. As this is the third exit right after comparing a clock, so you need to go third exit right. So in this case, if this is your vehicle, so just go, then just after passing the second exit, so now if you need to go third exit, as it is the right hand side of 12 o'clock, so you need to go third exit right. So if this is your vehicle at the road in left hand side, so first of all you need to turn your indicator right, and you need to go at the right hand lane of the road. So after going the right hand lane of the road and turning your indicator right, then in that point, then just going on that direction, and just after reaching on that point and keep turning your indicator right, go ahead. Always bear in mind your vehicle speed should be within 10 to 15 or below 15 miles per hour. So just go ahead and keep turning your indicator right, and just after passing the second exit, in that point, just after passing the second exit, keep your indicator left and keep turning your vehicle on the left side of the roundabout, like this way, and keeping your indicator left. Then just go ahead, and gently passing the third exit. That's the basic rules of a basic roundabout in UK road. Now we will discuss about another important thing before entering any roundabout. This is a sample roundabout, and before the entrance of a roundabout, the entrance road is divided by 3 lanes. The first lane, that means the left lane, the arrow indicates that it is only left. The middle lane, the arrow indicates that it is both in left hand lane and straight. And the third lane, the arrow indicates that it is only right. And this is the sign of the giveaway sign. So you will find every time this giveaway sign before approaching any roundabout. So if you will need to go the first exit, you must keep your vehicle in the left hand lane, because the arrow indicates in the left hand lane is only left. So before approaching a roundabout, turn your indicator left, then go ahead, then gently pass the first exit left. If you need to go the second exit, either it is the straight ahead or right or left, you must keep your vehicle in the middle lane, because the left lane, the arrow indicates only left. So you cannot go the second exit using this lane. So in this case, first of all, you need to turn your indicator on from left hand lane to right hand lane. So turn your indicator right and gently pass from left hand lane to the middle lane. Then by using the roundabout rule, you need to pass the second exit straight ahead. If you need to go the third exit right, so you must keep your vehicle from the middle lane to the right hand lane, because the arrow sign indicates that the third lane is only right. So you cannot go the third exit right using the left lane and middle lane. So in this case, you need to turn your vehicle from middle lane to the right hand lane, and then need to gently pass using the roundabout rule to the third exit right. And always keep in mind before entering any roundabout about the giveaway sign. So you will find every time this giveaway sign before approaching any roundabout. So either you will use the left lane, middle lane or right hand lane. Always give the priority of the right vehicle that are coming from the right side. So always you should keep your eye to the right hand lane, whether any vehicle is coming or not. Then if any vehicle will not come, then safely pass and go to your desired exit. That is the basic rules you should always bear in your mind before approaching any roundabout regarding the arrow sign and using the lane. Thank you. Sometimes we will look some mini roundabouts like this on the road. So if we will approach any mini roundabout like this on the road, so we will always bear in mind about the clockwise position like this. So you have the opportunity to pass your vehicle like this way. If you want to turn right, that means this way. So you have the opportunity to pass your vehicle like this way or passing this way. So that is wrong. You always maintain the clocking position before approaching any exit. So like this position. So before approaching this roundabout, always try to keep your vehicle like this way. The arrow sign also indicates the way, right way to approach the exit. So if you will not maintain the clockwise position, if you will go anti-clock position for the exit, it is wrong, and you will also fail your driving test exam. So always keep in mind about the clockwise position before going any exit. Here is another sample roundabout. So basically you will see some spiral roundabout, and you will see some roundabout which are not spiral. So this roundabout is not a spiral. If you will see the road marking inside the roundabout and the marking that has separated the lane inside the roundabout, that are the spiral roundabout. But if you will not see any separated lane indicated by the lane marking and lane separation marking, you will find it as non-spiral roundabout. So in case of the non-spiral roundabout like this, you will need to follow just the basic roundabout rule. And in case of the spiral roundabout, you need to go just following the lane before approaching any exit.